Daming tao here. Daming tao here. So guys, so sabi talaga sa guys. Thank you. We reached Italy.
Okay, let's go.
To stop over Manila Cathedral. Check it out. Daming tao here, so we wanted to check it out. I think they put here, no? Oh, parang may dance, guys. Hindi, you know, may dance siya, no? Dance din siya. I think it's a pattern. Oh my lord, it's so cool. No way, this is a pattern. Give it please like, comment, and subscribe. Or for my favorite pattern. So guys, this is also what they have outside the Manila Cathedral. It's like a market here. Afternoon market for the tourists, for the locals. Anything interest you, Tommy? Just you. Yeah, I'm looking at the ultimate burger. But you're my only burger joke. Can you just say I'm better with your jokes, but you're not better with mine? It's fine. Wow! It's not conflictive. That's why. So, sabi talaga sa guys. Kala ka tampo. Go! Tampo ay tampo. Oh my gosh. Kung tatlo. Sige, 800. Dito change ko yan. Thank you. Okay, change. Thank you, boss. Okay. We reached Italy. Ciao! Where are you doon? Fine, ma. I guess our viewers from Italy. Yeah. Hello, ma. Wow. Hello, well guys. Ano natin? Like, comment, and subscribe. Medyo like, subscribe. Wow! Basta cowboy hat. I mean, take your ticket, please. The ticket is also back. Grab it, Tommy. We have souvenirs. Get your ticket, please. We have teddy bears. Yeah. We have Binondo hats. Hey. We have cowboy hats. Hey. Ariel, bakit nakatayo ah? Thank you. Thanks for the different trip. Bye, Mama. Bye! Ariel, bakit nakatayo ah? Thank you. Thanks for the different trip. Bye, Mama. Bye! Bye. Save your ticket. Bakit ba yun? Save your ticket. Yeah, bagay. Save your ticket. Good. We get 15,000 likes. 15,000 likes ako. Kasunod ako, basta sasalunin ko. Welcome to Fort Santiago. Wow.
May apa?
Sure. But it doesn't have to be more well-maintained, I think it is well-maintained. I never have to be more well-maintained. So, send to the visa service. Yung kami mo gusto mo, please. Already so tired. Can you consider the others?
Hindi may reklamo ano, dyan ka dalaw. Naka-exercise ka.
Okay guys, try Sergio. It's a good thing we went to Fort Santiago.
Naku, yung nagamayan na palmi ng pinaka-gym.
Ikaw ata yun eh, bro. Ikaw ata. Ikaw nagkahanap ng girlfriend dyan eh.
Kung matudyan, makaan kang dress chicken, walang air fryer.
So just try it, Sergio. Hello guys, I'm not lying. Where are we going?
Try na, Bradley. Try na. Kaya magkaan na. Ano gusto mo? Beer na. Walang magkaan sa buwan. Nangunap lang na busos lang ng isang tao. Musib lang. Sa pag-girlfriend. Tuhayag lang. Anang ano sa pagkain na. Beer na.
Sa coffee shop, naka-aircon sa sama kami. So, back to walking.
Aircon style.
This guy went from complaining so much being so happy. Crazy, bro.
Hindi Daniel ka bit-bit. Ano lang sa bito ka.
Kami ang puso. Kaya, talaga mo. We're talking to them. So, check the coffee. Is that cold? Cold and cold. Okay, let's enter here, guys. Check mo muna. Oh, may corner. Ayan. Oh, wait. Oh, shit. Hey, kaya ba dito like that? No way. Nothing. So, there's a going down there. Let's go down there now. Shop, gusto mo ba? You made me climb up the stairs just to go down. Exercise!
Hindi ka reklamo ko.
Chinese, I feel like I'm plus 10,000 or plus 10,000 na. Yeah, bro. Ito din. Ganda village. Wow! Gas rin! Oh! After one beer! I love you guys. I freaking love this in Muros. We've been going here since high school, college, projects. Kasi lahat kami naghahanap ng girlfriend. Excuse me, ba't ako na ako may down dito? So, may tips. Hello.
Sinupdot kita mo lang.
Hello. Always fashion. Shoutout sa'yo, maraming salamat boss. Enjoy mo kami. Ingat ka po, thank you. So yun guys, this is our last stop. This is where we're gonna end our vlog. Bye boss. So we're not gonna really end the vlog here, but we're gonna get some street foods. There's sweet ball, fish ball, chomai, kwek, chocolate show, may what? Chocolate manis, okay. Chicken manis? Sige. Okay guys, alis lang ako. Pero tayo. Payment to. Sila, okay. Sarap. Yummy. Yummy. Sauce. Siyempre, ate, basta ikaw. Lima na Francisco. Okay po. Hanapin ka mo namin. Ako yung nag-search sa'yo ng mga wait, no? Sitcom namin yan. Hindi, kung di ka nagagay, babash. Oo. Wowie. Wow. Siguro mga 5 sticks, no? Ako na ko. Yup. Kumain ka na. Ang ganda-ganda kinain, bro. So, kumain. Wait. Wow! Yummy! Gusto siya po, ate. Kami yung siomay. Ate, ano yung pick-up line sa'yo? Ako, siomay. Ano yung siomay lang? Ano yung siomay lang? Oh, brother, this guy stinks! Ate, ano na ko yan? Ang baduy! Si Franco, hindi ka siya nagpo. Squid in. Gusto ko siyang kinain namin ng food, fishball, everything. Ngayon, sabi ko, i-energize again. Oh, putik. So guys, we're walking around, we're finish our vlog. Yes, sir. We're the three best friends that anybody could have. We're the three best friends that anyone could have. And we'll never leave each other. Except for the tree. Wow, this was... Waiting for the party lang. So dahil, I will spend like 4 hours here. That's a long time. 4 hours is a long time. One day of you. I just got a different energy. What happened na? Akala ko pagkasama mo ako. Sabi yung girl, ready na ako matawag po yan sa comment section. Let's go. Guys, there is one art that is Greenhouse/Mataluyo. We're so cool. More time with me, bro. More time with me. Oh, cool. How is that? Sila ba sa bro? Wow, actually, but that's how you meron. Hey! So guys, that wraps up our 2 hours vlog. It's been an hour into this session. Anyway, we're in your house now. So, like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next one!